We have what we call a Today Special. It launches at midnight, and of course, you would well know, Samantha Brown, that amazing travel luggage offer that she's got for us is our Today Special. However, right now, for this show and this show only, we have the Today's Special 2. Now, we've been offering you amazing offers throughout this hour, and I'm going to continue to do so. This next offer is going to literally give you a portable PC. Right? It is the Microsoft Windows 10, look at this, Surface Pro 4 for $899.95. Should be $1,300. We're doing the flex pays on there. It also qualifies for VIP financing. And what we've got for you today is the most extraordinary offer. But most importantly, instead of seeing it on a shelf in a big box store and wondering what it does and how powerful is it, watch this demonstration, watch this show, because you're about to see the most extraordinary demonstration. Welcome to HSN. How are you?
Nice to meet you, sir.
Nice to meet you too.
All right.
What an amazing offer.
It is a great offer, and it's the best piece of technology that you can have today. This tablet is very, very thin, lightweight, just under 2 pounds, which is great for a small handbag or for a purse for a lady to go out and take it with her. My girlfriend takes it to Starbucks, and she uses this with a 9-hour battery life. I can't believe it.
9 hours?
9 hours, and super thin. I mean, let's look at the side. Let's look how thin it is. And also, it comes with its own kickstand. So if you're on the airplane and you want to watch a movie, or if you want to work at your desk, you can do that very easily. And you can also take back the keyboard. And let me show you how the kickstand works here. Let me go ahead and put it down here. We're going to do a demonstration here, if we can. All right, I'm going to go ahead and smash it down. I'm going to show you how easy it is. That kickstand goes down. Oh, look at how smooth that is.
Look how good that quality of the screen is. That's amazing.
Oh, and the screen is a 12.3-inch HD monitor. It's a 2K monitor. There is not very many tablets that have a 2K monitor today.
Wow. Now, again, I want to point out that this is an offer for this hour and this hour only. It is the best price we've ever offered. Now, your flex pay on this one is, look at this. I mean, look at this, 6 flex pay. We had 4 flex pays on it. They've given us another 2 months, so $149.99. $149.99. Obviously, HSN's 30-day money-back guarantee. We're going to deliver it for free, but if you have the HSN card, we're going to do 12 months on it. You ready for this? For less than $75 on your flex pay, you can get this. So how do you qualify our HSN card? Call the phone number, go to hsn.com. There's no annual fee. And right now, with this, and of course those amazing Samsung Curve 4K TVs we just showed you a few moments ago, we're talking about VIP financing that goes with this. 30-day money-back guarantee. But watch this presentation, because when you see how amazing this is, because that screen at full high definition is one thing, but then I suggested the idea of replacing a PC with this.
Most definitely.
I mean, you most certainly could do that with this. I mean, this is future-proof.
This is future-proof. With 128 gigs, you're going to have fast startup time, and with that Intel chip, you're not going to burn through that battery. Like I told you before, 9 hours of battery life, and it's future-proof and future-ready. If we can get a shot, I am wirelessly syncing this tablet to that smart TV right behind Jeff over there. And you can see that everything that I have on my screen right here is going to be right there on the screen. So I'm going to go ahead and show you some photos, those photos I had up earlier. Let's go ahead and show you how I can just swipe through that with ease. So if you have a smart TV at home, it's very easy for you to connect wirelessly, and you don't have to buy any other equipment. That's the great thing. This thing saves you money.
Look how clean that is.
Yeah, look how clean that is. It's very vivid, very sharp.
Here, guys. This is here. Okay, I'm over here. Drew's over there.
I'm over here, and I'm switching through the photos, and you can see it switching through just as I'm switching it on the tablet itself. Really smooth, very easy to do. Not only that, this tablet comes with the pen, and this is more than just a stylus. Some people call it a stylus, but it's more than a stylus, okay? The great thing about it is, I want to show a demo. If I can get an overhead shot, please, so I can go ahead and get a demo going for you guys. Let me go ahead and clear this out. I'm going to show you something that you can do. Not only can you write and take notes, but I can rest my palm on the screen so I can write like I'm writing on a regular piece of paper. So we're going to go ahead and try this out. I'm going to rest my palm on the screen. I'm going to write, "This is amazing." And you see how my palm is resting naturally?
That's extraordinary.
You want to write like you're writing on a regular piece of paper, right? You don't want to be like this and have your hand up. You want to write smoothly, right? So I'm going to go ahead and minimize this. I'm going to show you one more thing with this pen, which is awesome. I'm going to go ahead and click the pen. And when I click the pen, look at that. I got some
It's like a
option
remote.
comes up. Yeah, it's like a remote. I'm gonna double click it again. I'm gonna hold it, and look, I have a OneNote that just popped up. I can go ahead and still take notes. So you have multiple writing programs on this tablet. And then plus this deal comes with Office 365, right? So Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint. I'm gonna show you that I have those already open. I'm gonna go ahead and swipe up. I'm gonna show you Excel. So if you wanna do budgets with the Office 365 on this tablet, you can do that. And you can preview a family budget by just tapping on it, and it already has it built in for you.
Andrew, I need to interrupt you right now. We have fewer than 150 of these total. Now, there are 3 color options that you got in here. We have the black, the blue, or the red available. Blue is by far the most limited that we have right now. This is a one-show offer right now. You got the flex pay, which is tiny to start with. Then, of course, if you've got the HSN card, we've got the VIP finance, and we're going to deliver it for free because we don't know what you're needing in a computer system, right? You've obviously come into the new year, the kids have started school, they've gone back to university, whatever it is, and found that whatever they're presently using just isn't keeping up with them. So we give you a 30-day money-back guarantee to be able to get this. And get this, as Drew's about to show you this demonstration, we're talking about Dolby speakers as well that's built in.
Dolby speakers are built into this thing, so that way if you're watching a movie or you're watching a presentation, you can see that. And also, you have a 5-megapixel front-facing camera, which you don't have on most systems. Let me go ahead and open up the camera and see if we can get the camera going. Actually, instead of doing the camera, I want to show you something with the pen one more time, because the pen is very important to us, okay? I'm going to show you here. I'm going to show you how I can do a map very easily. So if I don't know where I'm going, I don't have the address, I can get to one place to another by just using the pen and drawing a straight line from point A to point B. So right now, we're in Tampa. I want to go to Orlando. I'm just going to draw a straight line to Orlando. And when I draw that straight line to Orlando, it tells me it's 93 miles away.
Wow.
So if I didn't have the address, all I have to do is just draw a straight line and I'm right there.
Wow.
Now, I take it a step further because the back of the pen is an eraser as well, so I can just go ahead and erase. I'm gonna get directions from here to Orlando.
Look how intuitive this is.
So I'm gonna go ahead and draw a line directly to Orlando again. And now, as you can see, the internet blesses us. Yes, it did. We're gonna get directions directly to Orlando from here.
Wow.
All I have to do is draw a straight line.
You know, when you think about right now, maybe just your smartphone alone and how much you rely on it every single day, how much you actually do it, not just making phone calls, but looking things up. Now you've got this amazing Surface Pro 4. For less than $150 on your FlexPay, and think about that, you do $149.99, you don't even have to outlay what you should have been paying around $1,300 for. You're paying $149.99, you get it sent out to you, and like I said before, you get to put it through its paces as to what you need with this. We've got the 3 colors right now. Blue will be the quickest to sell out by far. We have the red, we have the black available. I've got 2 dozen remaining. 2 dozen remaining in the blue. The best deal going, 30-day money-back guarantee, and a power press. In fact, right now, I've got 107 units remaining out of both colors.
And look at this. Look how well it's made. I just snap the keyboard in that comes with it, and the keyboard automatically sticks inside. And look at this. And you know it sticks in because when you hear that click, I can turn it upside down and do that. Now, this tablet is not made of plastic. It's made of a vapor magnesium alloy casing. This is the same material used in high-end watches and in sports cars.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's pretty amazing.
And lightweight. I mean, this thing weighs less than 2 pounds. What do they say, 27 ounces?
Yeah, so less than 2 pounds with the keyboard. But the good thing about this is that most tablets don't have a USB port. This has a USB port. Not only does it have a USB port, it also has a mini display port.
Hold it right there.
And the mini display port connects to an HDMI TV, just in case you don't have a smart TV to connect wirelessly.
That is amazing. Okay, how about this, Drew? Multiple users, because let's say I'm in a household and I'm buying this and you're saying, okay, we're going to replace a PC.
Yes.
Right? As opposed to a tablet or a smartphone where one-on-one.
Yes.
Can multiple users use this? And, and how do we protect, or not protect, but how do we keep my things, and your things, your things?
That was a great question. Because this is the power of a PC, you can then have multiple users on this tablet. All you have to do is just set up a Windows account, just like you would Apple ID or Google ID, and then all you have to do is just sign in. And when you sign out, or your family member can sign in right behind you, and you'll never see each other's information. Because I know on some tablets, you only have one user.
You only have one user.
You only have one user.
Right.
And that's not good, because if you're traveling and you're driving and you pass the tablet back to your kids and they open up your profile on another device,
right,
they're in your business. They're in your photos. They're in your email. You don't want them to email your boss.
You don't want them there. You don't want them there.
No. So you want them to have their own profile, and you can do that with this machine. One other thing I want to show you is right here, underneath the kickstand, there is a micro SD card slot. So any digital camera enthusiast, all you have to do is just pop out that digital camera chip and pop it right into this machine.
It's like a portable PC.
It's like a portable PC.
With the USB port on there,
yes,
and the micro SD card. By the way, for support-wise, because I know a lot of you, Drew and I were talking about this earlier, is that I know that a lot of us get a bit bogged down with what we're presently using. An old computer, old PC, old laptop, old notebook, whatever it is. And you're a bit hesitant to be able to transfer over. The best part about this is that HSN and, of course, Microsoft have come through with the best offer that we can give you. So 7 days a week, there is someone there to help you out.
Yes.
To give you your answers.
Yes.
No, there's no such thing as a silly question,
no,
right?
Not at all. Not
if anything,
at all.
It's silly not to ask it, because the best part about the people that are on the phone lines when you need them, or that live chat, yes, is the fact that they're going to be there answering your questions so easily and so quickly with this device.
And most definitely. And one of the main questions people ask is, what kind of apps can I have? Well, because we said it's the power of the PC, everything you have on your PC at home, you can have directly right here on the Surface Pro 4. If I can get an overhead shot, I'm going to show you the Windows Store. The Windows Store has a bunch of free apps. Plus, we have paid apps, but there's over 500,000 applications on here.
Seriously?
500,000, from Netflix to Facebook to all your favorite apps, Candy Crush, whatever you're into. It is here in the store. And I have it open here so you can see all the apps that are available. Not only that...
Look how smooth that is.
Yeah, look how smooth this is. You can get music and movies. Everything is together here in one place. So whether you're into Netflix, whether you're into Amazon, it doesn't matter what you're into. You can stream all your content.
Now, Drew, I need to make sure everyone's very aware right now. We're putting 10 minutes on the clock or till sellout. Now, at this point, I've got under 80 remaining. I feel that 80, not 800... not 180, I have under 80 of these remaining. Now, please know this. Number one, HSN's been here 40 years. When it comes to our electronic buyers, they are constantly skirting the globe, getting the best deals. Now, when we have a partnership like this, you've got a $1,299 offer for less than $900. And I understand. You didn't wake up this morning on Sunday morning thinking you're going to outlay $900 on a brand new state-of-the-art piece of technology, but you don't have to. One flex pay of less than $150. If you have the HSN card, it's even better than that with our VIP financing. But if you don't, one flex pay of less than $150, we're going to deliver it for free, and you have a unconditional 30-day money-back guarantee. If you get the HSN card now, if you qualify and use it for the VIP financing, well, they take another $10 off. And by the way, your VIP financing comes down to $74.
Wow.
And can you imagine that? Imagine walking into a big box store, Drew, and saying, you know what, I'm going to give you $75 and I'm going to leave the store with this right now, and then every month I'm going to come back and give you $75. They'll be like, we're going to lock you up.
Right.
So this is when I talked about smooth with Drew. He's looking very smooth.
Oh, thank you.
Not just the stylus, but I'm talking about, because it's a touch screen. Okay,
oh, yeah.
I've got 64 units remaining. Anyway, Drew, you better go before we run out of time.
All right,
Show us.
I want to show you right here. I want to show you how you can write on a live web page. Now, I'm on the HSN website. We're talking about the Surface Pro 4. I want to show that you can make notes directly live on the web page. So if you have somebody you want to show, oh, I want to get this for Valentine's Day or for a birthday, look how easy this is. I'm here. I'm going to go ahead and circle the price. Look at that. This is a live web page. This is live on HSN right now. If I want to highlight something, I want to highlight here. This is the name. I can just go ahead and highlight right on here. And like I said, I can rest my palm on the screen. I can do whatever I want and write fluently like I was writing on a regular piece of paper. Look how amazing that is. And if I want to send it, because now I've already written on it, I want to send it to my girlfriend. I want to go ahead and make sure that she gets me this for my birthday.
Hint, hint.
Yeah, hint, hint. I can go ahead and hit the share button, and look at that. I'm going to send it via email. Look how it pops up. I'm going to choose Yahoo, and look at it pops in a video, a photo of the image I just written on, and I can send it to her, and she can see this live web page.
Now, if you notice that this is not plugged in, if you missed the beginning of the presentation, this has up to a 9-hour battery life.
9 hours.
I mean, you literally go from east to west twice here in the US.
Yes,
right?
for sure.
In a flight. How many times have you run out of power during the course of a coast-to-coast flight? Blue is gone.
Oh.
Blue is completely sold out. We have the black. I've got only 10 of these remaining in the black. Sorry, there we go. Your flex pay, $149.99. Okay, so talk about the screen. Let's talk about, I guess, the works. Like, what's under the hood of this? What makes this so powerful?
Oh, I'm glad you asked that. So you have a Intel chip, a Core a Core 5 chip, which is awesome. And the great thing about the Core chip is, like I said, the 9-hour battery life.
Yep.
Not only that, the performance and speed. So the startup time is going to be under like 15 seconds to start this tablet up.
Seriously?
Yes.
So unlike your present computer where you might actually go ahead and make yourself a cup of tea, a coffee and a sandwich while you wait for your computer to kick in, this takes less than 15 seconds.
Less than 15 seconds. Not only that, you have what's called Windows Hello, and that's what the Intel chip also does. Windows Hello allows you to use your face to log into the device. Remember we talked about that?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you can put your face right to the device and you can go ahead and log into your own profile without typing in a password.
So when you're sharing, like we were talking before, if you've got multiple users on there, instead of a password,
you can use your face.
Use your face, because on one side it's got a 5 megapixel, on the other side it's got an 8 megapixel camera.
Yep. And the great thing about that is the Department of Defense has now switched over to Windows 10 because of Windows Hello. And it usually takes the government about 2 or 3 years. But they love this so much in this technology that they said we have to have it now.
Drew, talk about have it now. I've got 6 in the black. I have 6 remaining in the black. That is official last call. Blue is already sold out. I've got around maybe just over 2 dozen remaining in the red right now. Thank you so much for your patience on the phone lines, and congratulations if you got the colour you want. Do us a huge favour, and when you get this at home and put it through its paces, go back to our website, hsn.com, and put in the reviews, because it's one thing showing it here, because you think, well, I'm not a tech expert like Drew. You will see how intuitive this is. You'll see how fast it is. You'll be like, this is what I've been missing. With my old system, with my old PC, with my old tablet, this is what I've been missing. They talk about surfing the information superhighway, surfing the crest. I love the surf, I'm from Australia. This is the surfboard that you need. This is absolutely flying along with this one.
So what about if you want to save some money? Because we're all going green, right? We don't want to print anymore. Right? So we want to do everything on the tablet. If I can sign a permission slip, I want to do it right on the tablet and be able to email it directly to the teacher.
Instead of taking it out, scanning it, put it back. Black's sold out. I better move this out of the way.
Oh, no worries.
Black is gone.
All right, so I'm going to show you how you can sign a permission slip with ease using the pen again. So I have the permission slip that came in via email from the teacher, and I'm going to go ahead and fill it out. So today of the trip is
that is such a good point.
28.
Something you can't do on a computer.
All right. And I'm going to get my son's name, location, Houston. I'm from Houston, Texas. I'm going to put Houston,
everyone in Texas.
That's right, Houston, Texas. How many children? I have 3 kids.
All right,
really? Age of the kid.
You.
Oh, yeah. 8, 12. All right, and 3. Okay, but even though the 3-year-old's not going to go on the field trip, I still got to put her down there anyway, okay? So I'm going to scroll down to the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and take my signature, and I'm going to go ahead and sign this out. And I'm going to print my name there. Sorry, I have slappy handwriting, which is good. It picks it up. You see how smooth it picks it up and how quick it is?
Yes.
Just because this is more than stylus.
So if you're a doctor, it's going to be fantastic.
Oh, most definitely. Most definitely. And all you have to do is just save it, and then all you have to do is attach it to an email, and it's off to the races.
And off the races, because the old way, of course, you'd print it up, you'd do it all thing, you'd scan it back in and send it. This just makes it quick. It gives you a spare time. We're going to go ahead and wrap it up, guys. This is not going to make the clock. We've only got 4 minutes now remaining. There's a lot in the phone lines. Stay in there, hang in there, and I hope that you get the colour that you want. Obviously, the red is the one that is only remaining. In fact, the blue and black has already gone out. Andrew, thank you very much, mate.
Thank you.
By the way, Office 365 is included in this deal. And remember, you're talking about 365, 7 days a week, service by, of course,